Yes, guys. Yes, I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you. You like this fucking spect? Really? You like this fucking spect? Because doctor told me I will have to wear this spect for eternity. Okay, and I said to doctor, in my mind I said to doctor that yeah, no, I'm not gonna wear that, because I really didn't like my look with this fucking spect. So I just removed it, and what I did, that now I don't have to wear this spect anymore. Just follow me.
The new.
Oh my god, guys, oh my god, really, I'm very happy. Finally I've got the way to fix our eye problem, to fix our eye vision problem. No matter how long you had been wearing spect, now time came for you to remove spect. And how you gonna remove spect, how you gonna fix your eyesight problem, we will talk about this in video, because I have really done it. And I will show you you can see in my video, doctor had prescribed, it's not that I'm just making this video, doctor had prescribed for me that I will have to wear spect for entire life, and you know how this goes. We will talk about this in video. But how I fix my eyes and how I don't wear spect anymore, we will talk about that. Just follow me. Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Vishnu, and I hope you all are very fine with your family, wherever you are. I hope you are very fine. I just want to welcome all of you in my channel, which is Health Wealth. Recently I made this channel to help all of you, whatever knowledge I got with my experience. I just want to share all of you, and I just want to request you to subscribe my channel and like my video, and turn on the notification light, that if I make more video, then you will be the first one to get that video. So without doing further ado, let's start with today's topic. Yes guys, so as you can see in my background, today I am in gym. So today video is not about body physique. Okay, then still I made video, I'm making video in gym. Why? There is a reason behind that. I just want to tell you one thing, that yeah, you know, when to make our body to reduce weight, to get or look good, okay, we come in same, we need to do eye exercise also. So let's talk about eye exercise. Yes guys, so as I was talking about exercise, you know, no one talks about eye exercise, as we need a strong muscle, you know, to move our hand, to do good work, and we train our muscle to do, you know, to lift heavy weight and all these things. No one talks about that eyes also operates and moves by muscles. There are 6 muscles you can see in picture. There are 6 muscles which help eye move. We rotate our eyes through muscle, and as we train our muscle in gym, we can train our eye muscle also. But no one talks about eye exercise. So eye exercise is as important as other muscles what we train in gym. All I'm saying, that in this video I'm gonna be talking about those 4 exercises which you have to do for your eyes, and in last I'm gonna give you tips for your eye. And trust me, and that tips is the reason I'm making this video, not for exercise, because you can see this exercise video by any other video, YouTuber video. Because I've seen so many YouTubers, they have uploaded eye exercise video, how to do eye exercise. So just keep watching this video by the end, because then you will know the tips. With exercise number 1, first one is rotation. You will have to rotate your eyes like this, like this. You know, just close your eyes to imagine, you know, just a clock. So just start with 12 and end with 12. So that's how you have to rotate. You can do this exercise with your eye open or with your eye closed. That's completely up to you. Okay, so if you are in public area, then do with eye closed, and if you are in a lonely place in your bedroom, then you can do with your eye open. So simply like just do simply first do left to right, right to left. Simply you have to do this. While doing this, just count 25 times. Start with one rep, then slowly when you will get used to of it, then you can increase more. Like other, I'm not gonna say that I start with two repetition or 3 repetition, because I know only one thing: the more excited you are right now, this is very slow process. If you know, then if you know how muscle works, then you know very well that it's very slow process to train your muscle. It's very slow process. It's required patience. If you think that today I watch this video and 2 day or 3 day you're gonna try and after then you will give up, so this video is not for you. Okay, you can continue wearing a spect for your entire life. And as you know, if doctor have prescribed a spect for you, I never gonna be fixed without operation, and doctor won't even operate before hit that age. So that's what. Second one is side by side. You have to see side by side. Same in this also, left to right, right to left. That's all you're going to do. Okay. Then third one is up to down. Down to up, up to down. Simply like diagonally. You have to do diagonally. Down to up and up to down. Same you have to do both sides. Start with this side like this, down to up, then this up to down. Simply you can just simply write. I'm not gonna tell you so many exercises which I know that you're not gonna do. Simply fourth one, you have to use your finger. Just pick any object which is in 20 feet or 10 feet or 15 feet. That will be enough. Okay, like suppose in front of me there is a wall and there is a switch. Okay, the distance will be like approximately 20 feet. So like suppose I decided to hit to target, to focus on that switch. So like right now I'm focusing on that switch, right? So first see 25 seconds there, then see 5 seconds on your finger. Okay, like this. Like this. So whatever target you focus on to focus, so focus on the target for 25 seconds, then see your finger. Then again just put your hand down and see your target. So like this. Remember this 4 name, very easy. Rotation, side by side, up to down, down to up, and fourth one is just focusing on object, and the distance should be 25 feet maximum or 10 feet minimum. Yes guys, last but not the least, the one and only reason I decided to make this video, now I'm gonna reveal that. As I already told you, this is the only reason I'm making this video, not those 4 exercises, because you can learn this you can learn this exercise by seeing any other YouTube video, but I bet you didn't know that what I'm gonna tell you right now. And is very careful, don't share this with anyone because they're gonna laugh at you. That's what I'm saying. Just do it quietly and see the result. And before that, I'm gonna remind you something. Just follow me. Okay, just follow me. If you have a dog in your home, then you must have looked and you must have seen that they lick their eye. All the time they clean their body. They lick their wound. Okay, and let me tell you my experience. Before, when I was a kid, I saw that there was an old man. He used to go in park with the food of dog, to give food to dog. And he was giving food to dog, and dog was licking his wound on his leg. So I was a kid back then. So it seemed so nasty to me that how come you can let dog lick your wound. Okay, and means of course in wound, everyone knows that in wound there is a bacteria, so it might be harmful to you or harmful to dog. If dog is licking, then of course dog is eating that bacteria. Means I was a kid back then, so I was not understanding. But just think, but they don't know, if kid, it means it's not just dog or animal, those those who have power in their saliva or in their spit, that if they will lick your wound, then your wound will be fixed. Okay, we are also human. Okay, how come dog saliva or other animal saliva, they can repair their wound, they can fix their problem by licking, by licking or putting split on them, on their wound, and we can do. So as you have understood by listening all this lecture what I gave you, tip was, when you awake in morning, use your spit, use your saliva. Okay, when you awake in morning, take one drop, put it in your eye and just do gentle massage like this. Gently, you don't have to rub your eyes, gently. Same apply with another. Take one drop of your spit, put it in your eye and just close your eyes gently, and with your finger just rotate your eyes, and with your eye closed, just move your exercise. Exercise meaning you have to move, you have to active the muscle. And how you can active the muscle, very well. Just move your eyes. Okay, just spread those saliva, your spit everywhere, and just do it for 3 months. And then you will see the result, and then you're gonna thank me. Trust me. Yes, guys. So whatever I told you, exercise and the tips that you're using a split in your eye, whatever, I'm doing it. Trust me, I'm doing it, and I'm not wearing a spect. It's been 6 months, I'm not wearing a spect and I can see better. I'm not saying that you will see result dramatically just in 2 months, 3 months. As you know that it take times. It's a slow process, but do it and you will see the result. Because no one will tell you, and there is no medicine by now at least that that can remove your spect. If you like wearing a spect, keep doing what you're doing. And if you don't like wearing a spect, if you wanna fix your eyes, then just do it what I told you. Thank you very much. I hope this video gonna help all of you to understand. And please subscribe my channel.